If you are not a programmer, you might be asking this question yourself. Is programming hard to learn? The short answer is no. And in this video, I will tell you why. Hello, my name is Madi Abdullahi and this is Skill Cafe. And in this tutorial, I will tell you why programming is easy to learn with explaining two simple code, what is the best way for learn to program a code, and how and when start to program a code. So let's jump to the video. In my opinion, program a computer is easy at asking for help from your best friend. How? Let me explain it with these two codes. Here is a simple code from C# programming language. After I run this code, console write hello in a line. So how this code work? Console.write line order to console to write in a line, and hello tell console what console should write. Here is a function from C# programming language. With this function, you can calculate the sum of the two numbers. So let's see the first line. Here in first line, we have three repeated words. Our keyword is int. Int is integer variable. Let me explain more. Here we have int before sum. This int is our output type, and these two int are our input type. So let's see the first and second part of the code together. Here in between two brackets, we have return. As you guess, this blue word is return our result, which is a plus b. So it was so simple. In my opinion, programming is more similar to speaking English than calculating a difficult math question. But what about more difficult thing, like object-oriented, design pattern, and something like that? Don't worry, they are so easy. They are actually so easy for someone who want to learn programming, someone who want to put her or his ideas to an action. If you are someone like that, programming is so easy for you. You should like programming to learn, but you should have a good teacher. Speaking of teacher, let's talk more about teacher and the way that we can learn programming. Now, because of coronavirus, in my opinion, the best way of learn how to code is by watching tutorials, actually video tutorials about programming. But that is not enough. You should have a good teacher to answer your question and help you to learn more. Another important thing, when to start learning programming and how to start learning programming. Now is the best time for learning programming, and there is an important reason for that. If you see the world is going to be more digital every day. And because of that, you should learn programming as soon as possible. Important tip, if you are a teenager, for example, you are 11 years old, you are 12 years old, there is no reason for this sentence. You can't learn how to code because you can't understand the code, because you are a child. There is no reason for that. Everyone in every age group can learn programming. So, how I start programming? There are so many ways to start programming and learn programming, but this is a way that I follow. My general programming language is C#, and there is an important reason for that I will tell you. At first, I have learned C# console and C# Windows Form application. After that, I've started to learn SQL Server, ADO.NET, and Entity Framework, which are related to databases. After a few months, I learned the basics, and I've started to learn something about the web. At first, I learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery, and then for web development, I learned ASP.NET Web Form and ASP.NET MVC. And now I've started to learn more advanced things. For example, ASP.NET Core, .NET Core, Circuit Programming, Object-Oriented, Design Pattern, and something like that. Finally, I want to say why I am learning C#. As you know, C# is a paid programming language, and because of that, it has better support than Linux-based programming languages. Because of this support, usually companies and big factories use C# and Windows-based programming languages, and small businesses use Linux-based programming languages like PHP or JavaScript. So let you say what you think about this topic in comment section below. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this tutorial, please smash the like button, and if you subscribe to the channel, it will be incredible. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.